If you've ever hosted a dinner or even a small get-together and found yourself constantly answering, "Where are the napkins?" or "Where do I grab a plate?" you already know how chaotic serving setups can get. It's one of those small annoyances that quietly ruins the flow of an otherwise great gathering. Today, we're looking at the Sorbus Buffet Caddy 7-piece stackable set, a simple-looking organizer that promises to bring order to that chaos. It's designed for people who host, whether that's casual weekend dinners, holiday parties, or even office events. And the goal is straightforward. Keep everything your guests need in one easy, accessible place without you running back and forth. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how clean and versatile the design is. It's made from carbon steel with a matte black finish, which gives it a slightly modern but still neutral look. It doesn't scream for attention, and that's actually a good thing. Whether your setup leans more rustic, minimal, or traditional, this blends in without clashing. The build feels sturdy enough for regular use. It's not overly heavy, but it doesn't feel flimsy either, which is important if you're moving it around with plates and utensils loaded in. The structure itself is split into 3 main levels. You've got 2 center stand for plates, a top basket for napkins, and 4 side compartment for cutlery. What's nice is that everything is detachable. You can stack it into one compact station or separate the pieces depending on your setup. That flexibility turns out to be more useful than it sounds, especially if you're working with limited table space or different serving layouts. In real-world use, this is where the Sorbus Caddy starts to make sense. Instead of scattering plates, forks, and napkins across the table, everything is centralized. Guests can walk up, grab what they need, and move on. It keeps traffic flowing, especially during buffet-style meals. The handles on the sides also make it surprisingly easy to carry from the kitchen to the dining area, or even outside if you're hosting in a backyard. One thing I noticed during use is how much it reduces small interruptions. You're not constantly refilling multiple spots or answering the same questions. It quietly makes hosting feel more organized, which in turn makes the whole experience less stressful. That said, it's not completely hands-off. You still need to restock it occasionally during larger gatherings, but at least everything is in one place. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. Since it's a metal frame with open compartments, a quick wipe down with a damp cloth is usually enough. There are no complicated corners or hidden areas where crumbs build up. Storage is another strong point. When you're done, all 7 pieces nest together, so it doesn't take up much space in a cabinet. Now, let's talk honestly about the downsides. The plate holders are sized for specific plate diameters, so if you're using unusually large or oversized dishes, they might not fit perfectly. Also, while the metal construction feels solid, it's not something you'd want to overload with very heavy ceramic stacks. It's designed for convenience, not industrial-level durability. And since it doesn't come with utensils or napkins, you'll need to already have those ready to make full use of it. Compared to other buffet organizers in the same price range, this one stands out mainly because of its modular design. Some alternatives offer fixed compartments that can't be rearranged, which limits flexibility. Others use plastic instead of metal, making them lighter but often less stable. The Sorbus Caddy sits somewhere in the middle. It's sturdy, adaptable, and visually clean without being overly expensive. It's not the most premium option out there, but it offers a really practical balance of form and function. So who is this actually for? If you host even occasionally, family dinners, small parties, holiday meals, this makes your setup noticeably smoother. It's especially useful if you prefer buffet-style serving instead of plated meals. On the other hand, if you rarely entertain or prefer formal dining setups where everything is prearranged, this might not add much value to your routine. Overall, the Sorbus Buffet Caddy isn't trying to be revolutionary. It's solving a very specific problem, and it does it well. It keeps things organized, saves you time during hosting, and adds a bit of structure to what can otherwise feel like a messy setup. If that sounds like something you need, you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe. There's a lot more honest, real-world product reviews coming your way.